guys? Welcome back to the YouTube video. My name is Daniel. This is Matthew. What are you doing? Oh my god. What are you doing? Okay, oh well. But this video, I'm sure this is why you're here. Cause I got a new setup. And he came over. And I was like, hey, you want some Fortnite, man? And he was like, sure. And he went over to turn on the computer and saw all these cables. And he was like, what is happening with your room? And I was like, I don't know. I don't got the time to put, oh, my camera is going crazy. I don't got the time to cable manage all these cables. Yes, my room is a mess right now because I just got a new monitor and it looks so cool. Oh my god, why is the quality so bad? So, let's get some material so we can build, no, we can sort our cable out. Let's go to Home Depot.
5 minutes later.
Over na. I got him. Not all headshots. We are currently 20 minutes in and sorting the cables out. This is current and this is the start. So we made good progress. I was helping a lot. He was told nothing. I was told nothing around doing nothing. Look at this. Look at the sorting. So nice with this bar still here. Oh well, we will just wait. Matthew, you better not scratch my computer. Good. Did you measure it?
No.
You mean better? It's gooder. Wait, it's gooder a word?
Yeah.
Wait, is gooder a word?
Yeah, guys, gooder is a word.
It is a word?
Yes.
Gooder. Alexa, is gooder a word?
Why are you asking Alexa? I told you it's a word.
Here's something I found on
Good, Matthew.
study.com. Gooder is not a word.
Oh.
People may use the term gooder as a slang word meaning more good, but
More
it is
good.
not actually a word. Did that answer your question?
No.
It's not a word, okay. I'm a retard.
Thanks
Hopefully
for your
my
feedback.
English teacher isn't watching this or else.
I missed it.
Matthew, stop leaking information. Yep, I will bleep that out so I don't get sued. Yes.
I hear Mr.
Shut the front door, you! Oh my god! Okay.
Shut the front door.
Yeah.
Why say that?
Oh yeah. I made a bet with my English teacher that if I get 200 subscribers by the end of the term,
He'll give you a.
I wish I can post, like, he will watch all my videos in front of the class. Like, projected.
Actually?
Yeah. So, anybody watching this and not subscribed, please subscribe if you want to see me, my classmates, and my teacher's reaction of my video and
My videos.
have it projected. My videos. And Matthew, the thing is, they're gonna watch my first video. And the first video is so trash.
My edited video.
Don't watch that video.
Don't watch that video.
Watch that video. That video is the most cringiest video of all time. Oh yeah, guys. Before we continue, let's talk about our sponsors. Raid Shadow Legends. Raid Shadow Legends is the most. I'm just joking. That's not our sponsor. Cause our sponsor is Honey. Honey has over 10 million coupons that you can just get to order from Domino's to Amazon with low prices guaranteed. And if Honey cannot find a coupon for you, it's meaning there's no coupons. So let's try how to download Honey. Very easy. Now let's see if my computer will turn on. Matthew, turn on the computer. Okay, thank you, Matthew. Go to honey.com. Alright, go honey.com. My voice, okay. Add Chrome extension. Add extension. 2 clicks. And now you have Honey. It's downloading. There's coupons. Oh yeah, now you have Honey. So for example, if I go to Domino's Pizza. And I press order pizza. It's loading, let it load. If I order this, delivery, pick an address, order pizza, add to cart, and let's do one more, right? Add to cart, review order, and then apply coupons. See, Honey is searching the world to find coupons for you. It's basically like free money. Alright, so after that, check. Boom. Let her load. Okay, that's not focusing. You saved $5.56. This would have been 25 bucks. Now it's only 28 bucks. Let's now get back to the video.
Five minutes later.